BCom 6th semester. Today we are going to discuss the management account, other concepts of the theoretical concept of management account. In the previous class or in the previous video, we have discussed about the meaning, nature and that one of scope of the management accounting. So today we are going to start with the functions. What are the various functions that has been performed by the management? It means the duties of the management. It means why we should have to prepare the management account. It means how the management account is helpful to the management and other informers. Other informers means ಬೇರೆ informers ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. First one, that is planning and forecasting. Planning is nothing but there must be a proper planning of management. There must be a proper planning of accounting. Accounting has to be planned. It means how the accounting information is to be collected and how it is to be presented. It means what type of data we are going to require, how much of data we are going to require, how it is to be presented, and how the decision making is to be useful on the planning of the data. It means the forecasting is nothing but what will be happened tomorrow. What will be happened tomorrow. It means this kind of analysis should be made while we are prepared the management account. Now management account prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನಾವು ಸದಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೋಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಎನಿ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್, any corrections or any errors has been made by the accountants or the managers on the situation. If the management look back those data on the situation, they are going to modify, they are going to alterate or they are going to correct the required information. ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರ, ಮೋಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್. ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. On that situation, those data are to be interpreted. Those data are to be interpreted and analysis. Analysis means what is the position in the last year? What is the position of the company or the firm in the last year? Presently, what kind of performance we are doing? Or the analysis should be made for last 2 or 3 years. Last 2 or 3 years means last 2 or 3 years where what is our performance regarding production, regarding sales, regarding profit, regarding declaration of dividend. So this kind of analysis has been made by the company for analyzing the reports. And third, that fourth one, that is coordination. Coordination is nothing but when we have an effective management. When we have an effective management system on that situation, we are going to coordinate the resources. Coordinate and mobilizing the resources. Mobilizing is nothing but with available resources we can use the maximum resources. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. Communication is to be required. Communication means exchange of ideas. Exchange of ideas from top level to middle level to lower level, and what is called as a scalar principle. Scalar principle is nothing but the authority flow from top to bottom and that one of responsibility go from bottom to top. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಳಸ್ತರದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ದರ್ಜೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. It will require, it means the top level management inform middle level. and that one of middle level management team will inform lower level. It means how the work has to be going, or what is the procedure to be followed while they are installed new machinery or new furniture or any new kind of equipments. On that situation, they will require some information regarding the use of that assets. So that's why it is to be required communication. Communication is nothing but it is a process of exchanging of ideas between two persons. Here, two persons means one person is management, another person considering to be the workers or the official persons. Next one, that is sixth one, tax administration. Tax administration is nothing but when we have an effective management accounting. When we prepare the management accounting effectively, on that situation, the management can know whether the accountant or the officers are promptly paid the tax or not, whether there is an eviction of tax. So, this kind of information should be given. It means how much of tax we are going to pay present year and what are the sources of reducing the tax we have available. It means what kind of exemption we are going to receive. So, these analysis has been made, and finally that is select the source of finance. What are the various sources of finance? It means finance is nothing but in which are the areas the company must have to make investment. Whether the investment ought to be made in short term or whether the investment made to be in medium term or long term, how much of the return they are going to receive and what impact it should be made on our company. So these are the functions of the management. When we have an effective team of management, the process will be going very easily. So it is today's class of the management account function. In the next class we shall begin with the other concepts.